Welcome back to BikeSphere, your ultimate destination for all things two-wheeled. Today, we're diving into the latest update from Hero MotoCorp, the 2025 Hero Xpulse 200, a dirt bike designed to dominate both the trails and the streets. Let's break down what makes this year's model a standout in its category. Design and build. The 2025 Hero Xpulse 200 retains its rugged and adventurous DNA but introduces subtle refinements. The bike features a refreshed bodywork with sharper graphics and improved paint quality. The high-mounted mudguard, engine bash plate, and knobby tires remain, reinforcing its off-road capability. A slightly taller windscreen adds to rider comfort during long rides, while the all-LED headlamp ensures superior visibility at night. Engine and performance. Hero has retained the trusted 199.6 cubic centimeters oil-cooled engine but fine-tuned it for better performance and fuel efficiency. The engine now complies with the latest emission norms while delivering 19.1 horsepower and 17.35 Newton-meters of torque. Whether you're tackling steep inclines or cruising through city streets, the smooth power delivery ensures a thrilling ride every time. Suspension and handling. Equipped with a 37mm telescopic front fork and an adjustable rear monoshock, the Xpulse 200 is built to handle the toughest terrains. The generous 220mm ground clearance ensures the bike glides over obstacles effortlessly. With its lightweight frame and precise handling, this dirt bike is a joy to maneuver, whether you're trailblazing or weaving through traffic. Technology and features. The 2025 model boasts Hero's advanced LCD instrument cluster with Bluetooth connectivity, providing turn-by-turn navigation and call alerts. New riding modes, off-road, city, and eco, allow you to optimize the bike's performance for specific conditions. The addition of a USB charging port makes it easier to stay connected on the go. Price and final thoughts. Hero MotoCorp continues to offer value with a competitive price tag, making the Xpulse 200 an accessible option for adventure enthusiasts. Whether you're a seasoned dirt bike rider or a newcomer to off-road biking, the 2025 Hero Xpulse 200 strikes an ideal balance of performance, technology, and affordability. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Stay tuned to BikeSphere for more updates on the latest bikes. See you on the next ride.